It's Melissa and Kat, and today we are going to be doing the
What is it challenge?
The What Is It challenge. Okay, what it is that I'm going to be blindfolding Katarina, okay, and I'm going to be placing 7 or 8 items in her hand depending on how this video goes. But are you excited?
No.
I'm excited. I got some good ones. But and if you guys want to see more, maybe Kat will like switch and there'll be another video. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works out and you tell us what you think. Are you ready?
No. I'm scared.
Okay. Ready?
Okay. Should I tie it?
You can try tying it if you can't.
Oh my god, I hate this. It makes me feel claustrophobic.
Maybe that doesn't look good.
Okay.
Is that good? Can you see it?
No.
How many fingers am I holding up? Okay, we're gonna. Okay, let me pull out my bag of mysteries.
Oh my god.
Let me do the non-messy ones first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, hold out your hand. Now feel it. Move it around.
Oh my god, it's a Pez!
What kind of Pez?
A Minnie Mouse one!
Yeah! Okay, first one done.
Woo! Oh gosh. I'm so scared.
It's a tan boy! Yes, it is! Yay! This is going by pretty fast.
Oh my god.
I'm excited. Ew, I'm scared to touch this one.
Ew, no! Oh my god.
Give me your hand!
Oh
Give me your hand.
my god, what the freak?
Feel it.
What is this? Oh my god, ew, it's like all sticky. Oh my god, I don't know. Ew, it smells gross. Oh my god, ew, what is it?
I don't know, it's been in the bag.
Is it
for
a
while.
mushroom?
Yes, it is.
Oh my god.
I grabbed a napkin because this is going to get worse.
Oh, ew.
Okay.
I'm so scared. Okay, here.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, let me do something to this so you don't know what it is. Okay, ready?
What the freak?
I should have.
It's a banana, right?
I should have. Yeah, I should have been like. I should have been like this. You would have never guessed it.
Ew, oh my god.
I got it.
My mouth. I'm violating.
It's just a banana. Though. Also touched a mushroom, so yeah.
Ew. Okay.
Ew, it's on my hands.
Take that.
I probably should grab my napkin. Okay, this one has like stuff on it.
Ew.
Okay. Ready?
No, I'm scared.
Okay, give me your finger.
Ew. What? What are you doing?
Give me your finger!
Oh my god, why? What the freak? Oh my god.
Stop bringing it out!
What is it?
These 2 fingers.
Ew, what the freak, Melissa? Can I just like hold it? What is it?
No, you can't hold it or else you'll know what it is.
Oh my god.
Come here, give me your finger.
Ew. What is
It probably
that?
smells like bananas.
Oh my, is it like lip stuff?
Ah,
Or
yeah.
like Vaseline or something?
Yeah, it's chap ice medicated.
Ew, that's so
Gold
gross.
formula.
Oh my god, Melissa.
Next. I'll do this one next. I don't want you touching this with your nasty fingers. So. Ready? Wait, don't listen! Okay.
Don't listen.
Yeah, because I was popping it so you wouldn't like hear it. Okay, I'm hoping you don't smell it.
I don't know. Ew. Is it? Oh, is it your EOS thing?
No.
Okay.
No!
Your lip balm? I don't know.
Just feel how loud it is.
What? This challenge is so dirty. I don't know, Melissa. I have no idea.
Really? Smell it. You'll know what it is. You've used it before.
A soap bar?
I mean, close. It's hygiene. Just keep doing it with your fingers.
Smells like shampoo or something.
Here, just grab the bottle.
Oh, deodorant!
Yeah!
Ew, now I have it all over my hands.
I know. Okay. Ready? Put your hand out. What is it? Ew, it's all over. Don't smell it either. You probably can't smell it.
I don't know.
Oh my god, let me quickly put it on the top so you don't smell it. God, it's getting all over your hands.
Is it like a lotion?
No!
Oh my god, I smell it. It's peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Now your hands are gonna be all gross from that. Here's your, oh lord. Let me scoop it up with a spoon. Don't get it on my couch. My mom will get mad. Here's an actor. Okay.
Can I get this off?
Yeah, here, I'll take it off right now. So that was interesting. If you guys would like to see me do this, like me be blindfolded and her give me stuff, I don't know, like the video, comment, and say you would want it.
Dripping down my hair.
You know, we would never know. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's all over my hands. But
You know how I feel.
thanks for watching, you guys. This was fun.
Okay, bye.